Okay, so this is all updated now. We can see that our navigation bar has now got the blog option, and if we click on it, oh no, what's happened here? Well, we've uploaded it, but because there's no template applied to the page has just opened up Business Catalyst's default, which has nothing. So what we're going to do is jump into the Manage section and change that. So if I click on Manage in Muse, that's going to take me straight out to my admin panel, which is very useful. I'm going to go to Modules, Blogs, and then in Blogs I'm going to go to Blog Details, and I'm going to choose from these templates. Now, the page that we just uploaded, because of the way that we've designed it, it generates a page called a template called Desktop Blog. So we just select that, hit Save, and if we go back to that page and hit Refresh, now our blog is sitting nicely in our page. We can see that our text styles have all been applied, but we have no content, so there's nothing in there. So let's go in and create a new blog post. I'm going to go and get some filler text. Just type in filler text generator in Google, and you can just get one of these. This will be fine. Let's generate, yeah, that'll be fine. And we'll put some p tags in there as well. Okay, so that's generated that text there. We'll copy that. Let's go and create a blog article. So new post. And I'm going to go into HTML mode and paste that in there. And my first post. I've got some other tools here for SEO, metadata and so on. I'm just going to space these paragraphs out and hit publish. And now if we go back to our blog and hit refresh, we can see we have our blog article in here and everything works great. So once we've established this in place, we can now go in and add to the home page. Now we want to add in a section for the latest articles. One other thing that we do need to do though as well is we need to upload our graphics files, because at the moment we don't have any bullets sitting next to these sections, and we can easily do that with once we've uploaded the files. So let's jump back into Muse and upload the files and also add the latest articles widget to the home page.